Hello y'all on YouTube, this is Rob the Rob's Nerdy Knives. I got a cool unboxing, something coming in from Kazoo Master USA. I've actually looked these guys up and I did not order anything from there. And I think I have an idea where this might be coming from. So yeah, let's take a look together. This might be pretty epic. All right, today we're opening up my box with my McNeese-Dixon. This is the first run McNeese-Dixon when they first came out. A little modded knife. I love this guy. A lot of you guys seem to like what I did too, so that's cool. Glad I could inspire folks. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. What is this? Kazoo Master USA. Best kazoo in the world. Okay. I've always wanted a fancy kazoo, and well, here we are. And I know who this is from because they told me that something was coming in, and I'm pretty sure it's Tyler. So Tyler, I'm going to tell you thank you ahead of time. Wow. All right, so we've got kazoo membranes. Oh, wow. That's like probably wax or something, I'm going to guess. Look at this. Look at all this stuff in here. And oh my goodness. Wow, this is a fancy case. And here we are. Okay. So I'm going to assume we blow in here. Let's try it. Oh, wow. Wow, that is loud. Here we go. I'm going to polish this puppy up. This is made out of brass. Are you kidding me? Wow, I feel like I got a real instrument, like I'm a musician. I'm not, but you know what? We'll go with it. Here we go. Are you ready? All right, Tyler, this is for you. Thank you, man. Wow. All right, we got to take a look at this. Got to zoom in. This requires a close-up. First of all, we're going to take a look at the mouthpiece here. We have, looks like, what are these two little holders right there? I'm going to guess, is that, okay, hold on. Yep, so it's a membrane. You can see how that's held in place. And then we have another membrane right there. And then we have this brass that's attached here. It comes all the way out here. And then you have this right here. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Would you look at that? Look, you can see me. Hey. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Look at this. Kazoo Master USA. Made in China. So I think these used to be made in the USA, but now they're made in China, but it's still the same company. Wow. This is pretty fancy. This is pretty fancy. Look at that. And so there's a mouthpiece right there. You can see that. That is cool. Very, very cool. All right, so let's zoom out here. All right, so this is the Kazoo Master. The kazoo trombone, kazoo, whatever you want to call it. Look at that, man. That is just freaking awesome. Here, we got it. Let's, where's my flashlight? You can look all the way down in there. And that's where it's attached. You see that all the way in down there? Polished on the outside. That's really cool. Wow, I don't, okay, so that tells me what this is here. These are membranes then. Oh, okay. Yeah, look at that. So they're membranes that are sealed like this. Okay. I wonder, are they like super sealed? Let's see. Okay. Oh, wow. Okay, so these are fancy. Wow, I guess I'd have to reorder them if I ever run out, but we have a ton. Oh, we even got an extra little, I don't know what you call them. Bearings? I don't know what are these things? I know what these things are called. Oh, why is my brain? Some of you guys help me out because I can't remember. You use them in holding pins and things in place, and certain things. They're like pressure washers. Is that what they're called? Pressure washers, expansion washers, something like that. They're like washers that expand, and you crimp them together, and they're like expansion washers. I don't know, something like that. I know that sounds familiar to me. Probably not the right term, but this is very, very cool. So, and look at this. It even comes with a fancy case with a nice little tag here. We may take that off and just put it inside to save it. But man, this is fancy. This is fancy. This is fancy. Yeah, well, you know who's going to get the first kazoo. You probably see this after the live stream, but on the live stream, I'm going to definitely debut this. And Tyler, you're getting the first kazoo. If you're there, you better be there, man. You better be there. I'm going to keep hiding this until you show up, because yeah, this has got to go out to you, man. This is really stinking cool, dude. This I feel like I've achieved something. I've achieved kazoo level. I am not a musician, but I feel like, I don't know, it's just kind of crazy. All right, so let's put this back in here so you can see how fancy this little thing is. So it's got a whole little resting thing. Look at that. Now I am going to take this little guy off. Can we take this off without cutting it? I want to save this, but I have a feeling this is going to get caught. I don't want it to damage stuff, so I am going to, yeah, I'm going to have to cut this. So sorry. I think that's the best way. I would rather save this like this than have it get damaged. And I can put that right in here. I think we can. If not, we're gonna fold it just so we can keep it here. I don't know, because it's special. So Tyler, dude, thank you. All right, this is going to be, we're going to make this the screenshot. How about that? We'll do this for, we'll clickbait. I mean, I don't know if it's clickbait, but you know, I'm not a clickbaiter, but you know, it'll be my catch you guys kind of thing here. So there we go. That's what we're going to do. All right. Appreciate you guys. Hey, if you found this content fun, interesting, hilarious, entertaining, super cool, would you please consider hitting that like button down below? Some of you guys, I know you guys are amazing. I thank you. Thank you, Tyler. Thank you, everybody. But Tyler, man, you make this so much fun, and I'm humble and grateful. Thank you. Thank you. This is better, far better than anything I could hope for. So I appreciate that. As far as now, I love fancy, crazy kazoos. Don't get me wrong. Okay, this is like, you know, orchestra level kazoo. But I love, now I've got some crazy kazoos. I've got the Rob's Nerdy Knives Kazoo Zord from Hoffy. I love that thing. Love that thing. I'm going to be pulling it out for the 12K. This obviously is going to be coming out. I have other kazoos for other big anniversary things. We have a kazoo that we might be using for 3K. I don't know. Maybe this is 3K, but I feel like this is more. This and the Kazoo Sword are two that are very special now to me. These are like the epitome of, like, these would be elevated kazoo salutes. You know what I'm saying? Absolutely elevated kazoo salutes. So, all right, sorry, got distracted just because I'm so blown away by this. I don't know what to say. All right, hey, if you found this content fun, interesting, entertaining, you got a smile out of it like I did. I am smiling from ear to ear right now, just enjoying this so very much. Would you please consider hitting that like button down below? And if you've already hit the like button, maybe consider hitting the subscribe button, because subscribing and liking the channel really does help out. Allows me to produce more content, do more things, ultimately do more things for you guys. Seriously, it does. It does. I know that sounds crazy. People say it all the time, but that whole algorithm that YouTube does, it's a big deal. It is a really big deal. So thank you and for considering it. If you haven't already, there's also a notification button down below. Maybe consider hitting that after you've hit the like and subscribe button. That way you can be notified of future content like this and other videos. And a big shout out to my channel members. You guys are amazing. Stuff like this from Tyler, thank you, and Hoffy and all you guys out there. Levi, Rebel Rouser 777, Bradford, Andrew, you guys, there's so many of you out there. On the Edge EDC, there's so many. Mopati EDC. I'm gonna leave people's names out that I feel like I'm throwing names out there, and I'm missing people. So if I've missed your name, please know that I don't mean to. Neb Sig, I'm going to keep thinking names. I'm just going to keep coming to my head because you guys are all amazing. Just if you want to consider that. Channel members, you encourage me because of your memberships. Also, through your generous support, you allow me to do things way sooner, be able to check things out, be able to give budget banger giveaways each week, get stuff for milestones, all sorts of stuff. Thank you to every one of you guys out there. I want to do two things for channel members. Brand new channel members, email me your name and address so I can mail you a channel sticker and a thank you note. Secondly, channel members, you're eligible for the once a month members exclusive giveaway. And it's my small way to say thank you to you. Right? I always, each week we do a budget banger giveaway, then that 1 week in a month, there'll be 2 giveaways. And I always try to make sure that the members giveaway is something a little bit nicer than budget banger giveaway, something hopefully you enjoy winning as a prize or giving as a gift. Members, you're eligible for both. You could win both, by the way. If that sounds cool, there's a link down below in the description on how to become a member. I have 3 different tiers. Don't do it if you feel pressured, but if you choose to do so, I am grateful. Thank you. Thank you. And hey, I want to say something. If you guys are following this far, if you sign up for just 1 month, please know that I am honored by 1 month membership. If you're able to sign up for 2, right? If you're able to be a continued member, whatever tier you could possibly be at, I appreciate that. I want you to know that I appreciate that. I understand money gets tight with my wife recently. I had to reorganize a lot of things. So I totally understand. Please don't ever feel like that's not enough or anything. I just want you guys to know that I am just honored that you even hang out. Seriously, I really am. I would do this just to hang out and talk knives with you guys. And I just want you to know that I appreciate you. So if you're a member and you choose to do so, thank you. Some of you guys are going to say, hey, what about the Kazoo salutes? Yeah, buddy, this is what we're talking about here. Yes, that's absolutely something that happens. Now it happens big and bold. What about the exclusive members content? What about the emojis you can use here in the live stream, right? All that stuff. Anniversary stuff. Yes. All that's true. All that's out there. Those are my small ways to say thank you. They're never enough, but they're small ways. Just to let you know how much I appreciate you because you guys are amazing. All right. If you didn't know, I also happen to have an Instagram page. Maybe check me out over on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Again, that's on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day and a great week. Bye.